unpackaging our new product, our new machine. This is pellet making machine, poultry and livestock pellet making machines. You have been seeing most of all these things. Those of you that prayed for me during my journey to China, I thank you all. I'm back. May God bless you. And I didn't just travel. I came back with a very good machine. And this machine is for poultry feed and livestock feed. You can use this machine to produce chicken pellets, like grower pellet, finisher pellet, and livestock animals, both goats, sheep, cattle, and dog. If you want to produce dog feed also, you can use this machine. This is pelletizer. It is called pelletizer. Now, we are unpackaging it today. This is the first time. After my arrival, I have not opened it. This is the first time we are opening it. Let us open it together. As I open it, I will also explain each of the parts for you. You can see it. We're unpackaging our newly imported extruder from China. This is highly sophisticated machine for poultry and livestock feed. This is the first time we're opening this product. Today we're opening it out. At the end, I'll also show you how this machine works. This is electrically powered. You can see it. We're unpackaging it. Now let's open it. You can see it. This is the electric motor. You can see this is the electric motor. This is 4.5 kilowatts. And this is the powerhouse. This is the power switch. This is on and off switch. This is the pelletizing zone, pelletizing area. Let's open it now together. It's newly imported. This is the first time we open this machine. I'll also show you how it works. I will show you a video of how it works also. If you need poultry and livestock feed, you can see this is brand new. If you're a poultry farmer, you want to make profit in your poultry farm, you need to invest in machinery and equipment. This is the mold. You can see the mold inside. This is 3mm mold. This 3mm is mostly for poultry feed, like finisher feed. It's not for starter, it's for finisher feed. You can see it. This roller here is the one that grinds the feed raw materials on this particular mold. You can see the spray mold. This is the spray one. You can see the spray mold here. This is 6mm spray mold. See it here. This is 6mm. You can see it clearly. The one inside that comes with the machine is a 3mm. This is the roller. We call it grinding roller. Grinding roller. You can see that each of them, we bought the spare parts of each of them so that we cannot have any break in production because of maybe either worn out raw material or not. This is the spray mold. You can see it here. See it. This is spray mold. We're unpackaging everything together. Let's do it together. Join us in this particular video. You can see the spray mold. This is the spray grinder. You can see it. See the one that comes with the machine inside here. This one comes with the machine here. This is the spare one we bought because of, in case of any worn out, we can use this one to replace it so that we will not have any break in production. This is the spray mold. This is the spray grinder. You can see two of them inside also. This is 3mm here. This is 6mm. So we can also use this to produce sinking chicken and sinking fish feed also for big fish like catfish that are up to 4-5 months. This can be used for it. This is for grinding of the feed on top of the mold. Now, let me show you how it works. This is where you place the raw materials. The raw materials comes in here. This will rotate. As it rotates, it's grinding it on top of this mold. The mold, while the mold is turning and bringing out the feed. Now, this is the bucket. You can see the bucket here now. This is how it works. You can see it here. You can see this. This one is fixed here. It's connected here. This is where it comes out. Okay. If you like this video, please give it a like immediately. And make sure you share the video to reach more poultry farmers, to encourage them to start investing on feed equipment. You need this machine, you can pass through us, we import it for you immediately. Remember, I'm still learning how to do this. Okay. Right. This is the exit. This is where the feed raw materials comes out. As it's pelletizing it, the raw material will be coming out from here. You can see it. We are doing it together. Yeah. Please, if you are not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Where else do you want to subscribe? Subscribe now for more poultry videos. This is how to make your feed raw materials cheaper. You can see it. You can see it here. You have to bring it down so that the thing will be coming down. You can see it now. That's how the feed processed ones will be coming out from this particular place. You see the video right away now. Now this is the bucket. This is where you put the raw materials. The raw materials enters here. Why this is the motor that turns and prepare the feed inside with high speed. This is high speed electric motor. This is single phase electric motor. You can see it. This is the display of the voltage. This is the power button switch. This is the switch and fuse. Why this is the grinder. This is the mode, and we have the space here. Please, you have the space here, so we won't have any break in production due to maybe either one out of the papers. So no, you have all this sense. Like this video, please give this video a like and share this video. If you want good things to come to your farm this year, like this video, please. You can see this machine has where you can add oil. This is oil. This is oil that helps in greasing the inside. That's the mechanical part of it. This is the oil side, like where you add engine oil in your car. This is the engine oil side. You can see it here. So if you want good things to come over your farm this year, you want to have progress, like these videos. As you like this video, God will like your farm and you get this kind of machine or higher one. We have the higher capacity. You can see it on the, during my visit, you can see the showroom. We have the different, this is the lower capacity one. This one can produce 10 bags, 8 to 10 bags of feed in one day. 8 to 10 bags of feed. This is about, I think, yes, 8 to 10 bags of feed in 1 hour, please. In 1 hour. Produces about 8 to 10 bags in 1 hour. Then if you work for 8 hours or 10 hours, it will give you about 80 bags of feed in 1 day, 24 hours. Or in 10 hours. It produces 8 bags in 1 hour. This is the capacity of this. We have higher ones. This is the middle capacity. We have higher ones that can produce up to 50 bags, 30 bags, depending on your financial capacity. You want to order for it, let me know on the comment section. We want good things to happen to your farm. Drop a good comment. God will also bring good things to you. Always be happy when God is blessing someone. God have blessed our farm again with another machine. We have the extruder now, we have the pelletizer, we have the crusher, we also have the mixer. All these machines are here, and more machines are also coming. We also have the generator that can power it. This particular one can be powered by generator because of electrical problem in this area. That's why we imported the smaller capacity that can be powered by smaller generator also. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and share the video to reach more poultry farmers. Till I come your way with another interesting topic loading very soon. Don't go away. For now, I say bye.